Good morning, Math Lab scholars. We're on day 2 of parallel lines and transversals. Remember, parallel lines are defined as two lines, like railroad tracks, that are perpendicular to a third line. Perpendicular means being at right angles or 90 degrees. We assume that those lines never meet if they were extended to infinity in either direction. But of course, we cannot prove that. It is an assumption called a postulate. So we drew a transversal across our two parallel lines. This is also a transversal, but we're working with this one because it more closely resembles what you'll see in your geometry assignments and tests. So we marked angle relationships. So it's two angles that have a relationship with each other. I think it's important that we color code these in our drawing because it's going to get messy. So these two angles are called alternate interior, and as you will learn in geometry class, they're equal. These two are called alternate exterior. Remember, X means outside of. They are on the outside of the train tracks. And they are alter, they're across from each other. And they too are equal. And then we also have supplementary angles here and here. Supplementary angles add up to a straight line or 180 degrees. Okay, those angles are also called adjacent. Adjacent is a Latin word that means lying next to. So the ad means to, yakeo means to throw. Adjacent angles are just two angles that are next to each other on a straight line, and they all are also supplementary. So today we're going to add a couple more pairs of angles, and these are angle relationships that can be anywhere on the drawing, so you can put them anywhere you like. Let's use orange for vertical angles. So vertical angles are across from each other at the vertex. The vertex is the turning point of the angle. So the vertical angles are across from each other. Just think of them as two slices of pizza that meet at the point. So here we have two vertical angles. But again, vertical angles can be anywhere on the drawing. There's another pair here. We can go ahead and mark those just to illustrate. Okay, these are also vertical. So today we're studying, we will add supplementary angles, adjacent angles, supplementary, again that's these two, adjacent, again these are also adjacent, and then we will also add vertical angles to our drawing, and then you'll be doing an IXL that will get you to apply some of these terms.